Hello YouTube, welcome back to my channel. It's me Alexa, the lady extraordinaire, and I'm doing another unboxing, and it's Chanel again, and this time it is a classic. Now let's see, first I have the freebies or the gifts, and this one is number 5 low. I've tried this one in store and I really did not like it. The only number 5 I love is number 5 eau de parfum. And also I got this skin care line number 1, which I will use. So here goes. Here is the real purchase. First of all, it's Pour Monsieur Chanel, the deodorant stick. I never tried this one before, but I've heard it's quite good. And because I love the scent so much, Pour Monsieur, I figured I need to try this one. And yeah, it comes in this elegant little box. And there you can see the actual deodorant stick. It's so beautiful. I mean, it's so elegant. There's something beautiful about that metallic or stone gray, you know, the mattified stone gray colorway. It's so chic. You know, it reminds me of Asaro por Om, the deodorant stick. Almost identical. I need to try it like for real and see how it develops, because like so much Asaro por Om deodorant stick, which I love, so I'm not complaining. And here's the actual Chanel Pour Monsieur Eau de Toilette. No, this one is Eau de Parfum. I'm sorry. Yes, Pour Monsieur Eau de Parfum. I have the Eau de Toilette and I love it to bits, but I was always curious about the Eau de Parfum. I tried it once in store and I did not really like it. But recently I went back to the store and tried it again, and I just kind of fell in love. And this has got to be one of the cheapest Chanel perfumes, because this one is 75 milliliter, and it's not as much as the rest of the other Chanels. You know, it's like way below the other eau de parfums. Here it is. Chanel Pour Monsieur. Such a beautiful, elegant bottle. I mean, just looking at it is worth every penny just to admire it. I cannot really tell the smell that much from the bottle, but it's gotta be good, you know. I don't think I'm gonna end up hating it, at least. And here is my old bottle of Pour Monsieur Eau de Toilette. And this one, as much as I love, it does not last for long, not long at all. Like I would give it like 2 hours maybe, and then it's completely gone almost. So it's one of those parfums that you have to reapply during the day, you know, plenty of times. So it's a good thing that they are quite cheap, you know. They're not really cheap, honestly. They're not cheap. But compared to the other Chanel perfume ranges, not least the less exclusives, these ones can be considered Chanel cheapies, really. So this was my unboxing of Pour Monsieur Eau de Parfum. Such a classic. Although the Eau de Toilette is from 1955 and Eau de Parfum is apparently from 2016. You know, think about it. The first one came in 1955 and the later one, Eau de Parfum, didn't drop until 2016. It's crazy. Thanks for watching. Ciao.